and it is generally not too hard to identify key problems. It is harder to find the right solutions, but again this is an area where technical sophistication and a healthy application of common sense can deliver good answers most of the time. The hardest part of the fund's job, and the part that I work most at, is persuading key actors in the world economy to do the right thing. I'd like to talk today about a few of the major problems in the world economy, and some of the solutions that we see to those problems. In a few minutes, I'll talk about the outlook for the global economy, and say a few words specifically about Europe. I'll also talk about the risks to the global outlook, and what can be done to reduce those risks. I'll talk about the problems facing low-income countries, and the opportunities that exist to do something about those problems. And I'll talk a little about the need for reforms in the IMF itself, and the help that we need from others to make those reforms. But I want to begin by talking about trade. Next month world leaders will meet in Hong Kong for the meetings of the World Trade Organization. The purpose of these meetings is to discuss the Doha Round. On the agenda are reduction in tariffs on agricultural and industrial goods, reduction in agricultural subsidies, liberalization of trade in services and improvements in protection of intellectual property rights. The agenda is a long one, because there is much to be done, and there are many problems with the current rules and practices in world trade.